I'll carry it in for you. It's perfectly safe here, isn't it? Sure. Well,
Can I help?
you can have me, that's all.
Where's Mrs. McCain?
My wife passed away some time ago.
What's your father calling you?
Is he making noise, Ozzy?
My marriage.
See, I'm trying to sleep.